Barclays Internet Banking Review. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick review of Barclays Internet Banking. So when you open the Barclays official website, you can see that there is this interface. So in order to access your internet banking or your online banking with Barclays, you have to log into your banking details. For example, you already have a Barclays account. Just simply enter your credentials and access your internet banking or your online banking service with Barclays, and you can contact the customer support center, and you can also talk to the personnel about the query and the things that you want to do. And you can also access the things like insights, investor, sustainability and career as well. So Barclays Bank is the official name for Barclays US retail internet banking subsidiary. Although Barclays is rooted and based out of UK, but Barclays headquarters is in New York and it has operated in 7 states and the districts of Columbia. In addition to its credit card portfolios, and Barclays offer online saving accounts and certificates of deposits. You can also learn more about the Barclays saving accounts over here on this particular article. But talking about the online or digital experience with the Barclays internet banking services or Barclays online banking services is that it is highly rated mobile app across the users, and the customer service hours for Barclays, they prefer to talk to a representative, and when you call them, the service center, they have a line 7 days a week. So you can contact them anytime you want between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And you can also access the branch. Barclays customer will need to be comfortable solely banking online, as the bank has just one full service branch in New York right now. And as you all know that it is highly rated mobile app, and Barclays mobile application is highly rated on Apple App and Google Play Store. But while it has been reviewed by more than 20,000 Android user, only about 150 iOS user has rated it amongst its feature and its ability to make mobile deposit, which is a plus considering the bank's limited branch in ATM network. But because of the bank only offers service saving products and customers, that is why customer won't find access to Zelle through Barclays. And if you want to transfer money from your Barclays bank account to another person, you will need to transfer money to another bank account first, and it has to be peer-to-peer transaction capabilities. And there are also some digital tools that you can use in Barclays website, and you can customer can use the saving assistance or CD calculator to map out their savings over time, and they can certainly be helpful, but it is very simple, so you can use them as well. So overall, if you are a new customer and you're looking to access or using the online banking services or internet services using Barclays, so you can feel free and you can access your Barclays bank account and use the online or internet services, because it will come down very handy to you and you will not face any problem. And even if you face problem, you can anytime contact the customer care support team with Barclays, and they will reach out to you and help you regarding solving that particular problem that you're facing. So yeah, this is the quick review of Barclays Internet Banking Review. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.